Hello, beautiful people. This is Shahin. I'm SEO strategist and web designer. In this video, I'm going to talk about custom map that I noticed barely people are using while they're serving multiple locations. But I consider it one of the most important optimization part for SEO to create conversion. The reason behind I mention conversion is because the goal of SEO is not just driving traffic. If my business doesn't create, if my website doesn't create conversion, end of the day, end of the month, after the deal, I will judge you depending on the result, not the traffic. So my goal would be, as a business owner, I don't care about keyword research, competitors analysis, on page, technical, whatever we do, I don't care about it. The things I care about is result. I want conversion from my business. So if you cannot do it, how would I accept this? Whatever. So I'm going to talk about in this video custom map, but not how to create it. So this business I found from Google randomly that using custom map. This is pretty simple to create if you go to map, my map, and create unique one by highlighting all the locations that you are serving. So this is how actually you create, and this is very interesting and give extra value to customer, and customer as well also should know about it because to build trust. So I'm gonna talk about how you can hide this topper. This is actually unprofessional. So we don't need this because unnecessary information, we don't want this. We should make it professional. As I already mentioned, that we need to create conversion from the website, not only just driving traffic. So in my opinion, this is not looking good, extra information. And as you can see, my maps, create your own. So this type of information unnecessary in my opinion. But if you would like to hide, I'll make it visible, all up to you. But I prefer to hide it and wanted to show you guys how to hide it with Elelemntor or WordPress, using WordPress. So let's dive in. So here, to save my time, I embedded their Google map, and I'm going to hide it, this section here. So I'm going to first drag and drop here a spacer, all right, inside the container, and this container will give it a value of z-index value because I want the container top, not below the HTML widget. So I'll give it a z-index value. Okay, let me show you. If I do not give z-index value here and give it a minus margin of this HTML, let's say minus 80, so nothing happened, right? So now if I select the spacer and give it a z-index value, let's say 99, the spacer is at the top, but we don't have nothing happening because we need to give a background color of the spacer so that I can hide the top part of the map. So I'm going to advance, from advanced to background, and then background color would be white because my current background color of this section is white. So I'll give it a background color white. But if I change it to orange, right, as you can see the orange here. So I'm giving a background color to white. And still this is not perfect because at the top and bottom as well I can see the top bar. So I would increase the spacer height. So I'll select the spacer, go to content, and you can increase and decrease the size that way we want. So I'm putting here 80 pixel, it would be perfect, but still at the bottom I can see. So I select the map, which is the HTML widget, and then go to advanced again and increase the minus padding to hide it. So this is how, as you can see, I just hide it. If I minimize it, looks good, right? But if I go to the tablet device and mobile device, we need to make them responsive because mostly people come from other devices, not people using all the time desktop version. Maximum are coming from whether tablet or mobile maximum. So we need to make them responsive. But if I go to mobile, this is how it looks. And for tablet, this is how it looks, right? Although I'm not seeing the top bar here, but I think I can make it vertical. So if I open editing mode and select the parent container section, and from layout, I will direction put to vertical, right? And if I go to here, as you can see, and if you would like to bring the map at the top, so you select reversed, right? And the map is at the top. So this is how you make it responsive for tablet. And if I go to mobile version and I'd like to make it interesting, This text is too big for me, I think. So select the text, go to style, typography, and size decrease. Let's say 35 pixel. Line height would be as well pixel and would be 45. So this is perfect in my opinion. So this is how you need to hide the top bar and give it a professional look instead of just embedding it like this. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching.